Now let us understand our process. As we shared with you that in our style of trend investing, our approach is quantamental. But let me now put it together in our four-step process. The first step is volume. This is very different from what most people do. They look at market cap. But we think volume is very important because, so to say, we have 5,000 stocks in the Indian market, but volume is always in a few hundred. And at an institutional level, you very often find yourselves in stocks where entry and exit may be very difficult. They may give you good returns if you're an individual investor or a very small fund. However, as your AUM grows, these become very big traps. And the trap is bigger when you try to exit. So we do not want to be stuck in a situation where a stock we want to exit, we cannot exit, or the impact cost is very large, because exit is very crucial to our investment philosophy. That is why to be in a liquid universe is very important. So we really bring down or crunch down these 5,000 stocks to few hundred where there is volume. Stocks that do not have volume may be very zippy, they may go up very fast, but when you try to exit, and especially at a fund level, you realize that you get stuck in it. That is why volume as a percentage of our AUM is very important. This is why we have a very, very scalable volume. If we are able to deliver effectively at a certain AUM, even if the AUM rises substantially, we will continue to deliver good results, is because of the scalability of our process. The second step, after we have crunched down the market into a few hundred stocks based on volume, is the fundamental work. This is the hard work. This is the time when we go and look at companies, the profitability, the margins. We go and look at top line growths. We look at return ratios and everything that you have in it. And at this stage, our objective is to identify secular growth stories. Having spent so many years in the market, I've realized that barring small phases, the big wealth creation, the top 50 wealth creators in our markets over the last decade have all been secular growth stocks. India is all about growth investing. And this process helps us to bring our universe down to about 100 stocks, which we think are secular growth stories in the Indian context. This process is the heart, because stocks that move without fundamentals are something we totally avoid, because very often they are traps. It is very important. The core, the heart is about companies that come out with good earnings, good fundamentals, because that's when you are on a strong wicket. The third step in the process is the quantitative step. In this step, we crunch this 100 stock or so quality into about a 20 stock portfolio. And this we do with quantitative analysis. It is not just good enough to have a very good, fundamentally good stock. The market should also appreciate and recognize it. And that is why it's important to study price and volume. But price and volume in its raw sense has no value. We have actually created a model which really helps us to identify two things that we look for it. Our belief is that stocks that fall less in falling markets are leaders of the next bull market. So we like stocks, or we like to do a research in falling markets, because stocks that fall less are the ones which are intrinsically strong, which have buyers at lower levels. This is the characteristic of quality. And when the markets stabilize, these are the first to break out. So in our model, we look at two big things. One is longevity of trend. We don't like 90-degree angles, but we like smooth 45-degree angles which go on for years. And the second thing is volatility. So we like low volatility stock which are in long-term trends. Along with this, we look at factors like volume and volatility, which really helps us to bring down our universe into 20 or 25 stocks based on very good fundamentals with very good quantitative overloads. And we have made all this process into a checklist. A checklist is nothing but a very good check that are you following all the steps. Very often our human mind gets caught up in the market, games, news, information. However, till a stock does not meet the criteria in our checklist, we do not invest in it. And that is the trueness or our ability to stick to our process. As I again repeat, it's all about process, process, and process. And that really is the third step of creating our portfolio. The fourth step, which is the opposite side, which is exit. As I have pointed out earlier, exit is very, very important for us because we feel not only does exit reduce your losses when you make a mistake, however, exit also is important because it raises capital for you to participate in the next trend. Because in our markets, trends keep emerging. If you do not exit, how come will you be able to participate in the next trend? Very often the trending stocks tend to give away all that you've gained when the market turns simply because you have failed to exit. So for us, exit is nothing but a reversal of the processes you saw earlier. But here in our model, we focus on rate of change, ROC. ROC in earnings, ROC in price. So it is typically like, when I throw a rubber ball on the ground, when it bounces up, that is momentum. However, before change in trend, you will see that it reaches a state where the momentum diminishes. It in fact goes flat and then starts falling down. That is exactly what we look for in stocks when we want to exit. A change in rate of earnings, a change in rate of price, and that becomes our exit point. And in doing all this, real proof of the pudding is the discipline to execute it. And that, I think, is something that comes through experience, comes through vintage, and having spent so many years in the market, and it is our focus on process, our focus on our checklist, which really gives us clarity of thought. And clarity of thought is what precedes discipline. You cannot have discipline till you don't have clarity of thought. Since our process is so well laid out, so well documented, so well followed, that is really what gives us the discipline and follow the process that we have laid out at Marathon Trends.